Hello friends, we'll now look at an example. This problem is based on Jacobi's theorem, right? So we have already studied the Jacobi's theorem in the previous video, that if I multiply a determinant delta with another determinant whose elements are cofactors of delta, then, and in case delta is non-zero, if delta is non-zero, then we can write this determinant delta dash as delta to the power n minus 1, and particularly for a third order determinant, the value of delta dash will be equal to delta square. Now this was the statement of Jacobi's theorem for a third order determinant, because IIT-JEE contains in the syllabus it includes only the third order and second order determinants, so we do not have to worry much about the higher order determinants here. So let's start with, look at this question. This is an interesting problem because nowhere it talks about it. This particular determinant on the left hand side is not a square. It is not a square of a determinant which gives you sufficient motivation to start the problem. So here we need to understand, or we need to know a fact. So suppose you have consider a determinant delta which is our standard symmetric determinant ABC, BCA, CAB. Consider this determinant, and now find out a determinant whose elements are cofactors of this, cofactors of the elements of this determinant. So maybe if I look at the cofactor of A, I'll get BC minus A square. Then if I look at the cofactor of B, we get AC minus B square. Then cofactor of C becomes AC minus, cofactor of C becomes AB minus C square, becomes AB minus C square. Alright, and now in the same way you can obtain the remaining elements. The key idea is to observe that the given determinant on the left hand side, this particular determinant which is given to you, this determinant is nothing but, delta dash that we have looked here. So the left hand side, therefore the left hand side is a determinant obtained by replacing the elements of the determinant delta with the corresponding cofactors. So hence I can write the left hand side is equal to delta square, where delta is this given determinant, and therefore this should be equal to ABC, BCA, CAB into ABC, BCA, CAB. Alright, but now if I multiply it right now, I get A squared plus B square. If I multiply this row with this row, then I'll get A square plus B square plus C square. But instead I want this BC minus A square. We want this part, and I'm getting this. So definitely I need to make some change in the determinant, right? So what change do we make is, let's leave the first determinant as it was. We leave the first determinant as it was. So A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, right? In the second determinant, we interchange the second and third column. In this determinant, we'll interchange second and third column. This will give a negative sign. So we adjust this negative sign in the second column. So I get ABC minus C minus A minus B, BCA. And now if you multiply these two, you get A square minus BC plus BC. So we get these two get cancelled out, we get A square, and in the same way now you can probably complete the question. Just multiply them and you'll get the right side which was required in the problem. Alright, now the key idea is यहाँ पे आपको एक चीज़ ध्यान रखनी है कि ये जो डिटर्मिनेंट होता है हमारे पास, जो स्टैंडर्ड सिमेट्रिक डिटर्मिनेंट है, ए बी सी बी सी ए बी. I told you initially also that you'll come across this determinant a lot during matrices and this linear algebra part. So it is better to know as much as you can learn about this. For example, we know its value. We know that the value of this determinant is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. We know the value of this determinant. And also you should have a fair idea about the determinant obtained by cofactors of this. मतलब ए की जगह अगर आपको यहाँ पे कभी भी बी सी माइनस ए स्क्वायर, जी पी टाइप की कोई चीज़ दिख रही हो ना, बी सी माइनस ए स्क्वायर, या फिर मे बी लेट्स से यू गेट ए सी माइनस बी स्क्वायर, ऑलराइट, और यू गेट ए बी माइनस सी स्क्वायर. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. सो इमीडिएटली आपको क्लिक करना चाहिए कि यार ये ज़रूर इसके कोफैक्टर्स वाला डिटर्मिनेंट है ना. कीप दिस थिंग इन माइंड, यू लर्न दिस बिकॉज यू विल कम अक्रॉस दिस डिटर्मिनेंट अ लॉट इन डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स. Once you learn this, then starting the problem becomes easy and the rest is all formality.